So it's almost 5 in the evening and I was actually craving to have some masala dosa, as it's been a very long time since I didn't have any masala dosa. But this time I don't want to have a plain masala dosa, but I'm craving to have something variety in it. So I'll be taking you people to that stall, and I guess by this time you people have guessed what I'm talking about. This is a very famous masala dosa stall in Bangalore and around Bangalore. I guess most of you people might have seen and might have had masala dosa over there. So without further ado, now let's jump into the video. So I have got my dosa over here. I've ordered for some cheese paneer masala dosa. So yeah, it's too hot. They have given us this cheese paneer masala dosa with some mint and coconut chutney. So first we'll try it out with mint chutney. It's spicy. Like, if you have to see what is there inside this, you can find a lot of paneer in it and cheese in it. The special masala which has been added to it, which is actually prepared by the owner itself. So it's the secret masala through which you get this yummy taste. So now let's taste it with some coconut chutney. It's so yum, and people who are actually bored of eating normal masala dosa, you can definitely try out this. It's gonna be a different kind of experience. You almost get this in and around Bangalore, so definitely try it out. And we have some more masala dosa waiting. So we have our second masala dosa over here. So it is onion cheese masala dosa. The masala dosa is extremely crispy, and now quickly we will do the taste test. I guess the batter which is being used over here is completely different batter. It is not like a usual masala dosa batter which you get it in restaurants. There is lots of cheese. So now let's try this with some coconut chutney. Actually the mint chutney was damn spicy, but this coconut chutney is just amazing. There is lots of masala added to it, and you can find lots of tomatoes and onions. It's piping hot and it's very yum and tasty. So yeah, as I told you earlier, if you are bored of having some regular masala dosa, you can definitely try out this 99 varieties of masala dosa. I guess people are gonna love it, because who doesn't like cheese in their masala dosa? There is lots of options. I can't have everything, so I've just taken 3. So if you people visit here, try to cover the maximum and come in groups so that you can taste a lot of varieties over here. If you come alone, then you can only have one dosa. So yeah, moving forward, now we will jump into our next masala dosa. Have you guys ever had some Indo-Chinese masala dosa? You guys might be wondering what I'm talking about, but now I have some noodles masala dosa with me, and yeah, noodles masala dosa, you guys heard it right. So it's the first time I'm even tasting it, so let's see how it's gonna taste. As people can see, there is lots and lots of noodles added to it with some grated cheese and masala, and it is served with some green chutney and coconut chutney. So now let's do the taste test, and I'll let you people how it's gonna taste. The dosa is extremely thin. As I told you earlier, they use a different batter. It is not the regular batter which is used in restaurants for masala dosa. It's a different batter. So yeah. So now this yummy noodles masala dosa into my mouth. I personally love noodles a lot, and I love masala dosa too. How can I not like this combination? It's a bit weird combination though, but still it gives a great taste. So I'm gonna end this vlog over here, guys. I'm gonna finish all this yummy masala dosa. So if you guys enjoyed my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the notification button, and don't forget to like the video, and meet you in my next video. So until then, take care, bye bye.